Mamata Banerjee took her oath as Chief Minister of West Bengal for the third time today after she spearheaded the Trinamool to a remarkable victory in the assembly elections. Mamata said that her first priority is to tackle the COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Then she spoke about the post-poll violence in Bengal and even exchanged barbs with Governor Jagdeep Dhankar. Mamata said that for the last 3 months, the state was under the Election Commission and she didn't have much say. But she assured that from now on, violence will be dealt with utmost firmness as she is back in the chair. The Chief Minister also said that she will set up a new police system. Governor Dhankar urged Mamata to bring an end to violence in the state. The BJP boycotted Mamata's oath ceremony, citing rampant violence in West Bengal.
Our first priority is we must bring end to this senseless violence, horrendous violence that has affected society at large. Post-poll violence, if it is retributive, is antithetical to democracy. I have every hope that the Chief Minister, on urgent basis, will take all steps to restore rule of law and ensure that those who have been hurt, particularly children and women, relief is accorded on a priority basis.
যে আমি সবাইকে সব রাজনৈতিক দলের কাছে আবেদন করব যে সবাই শান্তি বজায় রাখুন, শৃঙ্খলা বজায় রাখুন, সংহতি বজায় রাখুন। বাংলা কিন্তু কোনো অশান্তি পছন্দ করে না এবং আমি নিজেও করি না। আমি প্রত্যেককে বলবো প্লিজ টেক প্রপার কেয়ার যাতে কোনো ভায়োলেন্স কোথাও না হয় এবং কোথাও কোথাও ইলেকশনের পরে কিছু স্পোরাডিক ইনসিডেন্ট হয়। আমি আজ থেকে ল অ্যান্ড অর্ডার ট্যাকেল করব এবং কঠোর হস্তে আমি এগুলো মোকাবিলা করব। এটা আমার সেকেন্ড কাজ। আমি ফিরে গিয়ে আমি যেটা ল অ্যান্ড অর্ডারের যেখানে যাদের পোস্টিং করা সেগুলো করে যাতে কোনো রকম কোনো অশান্তি কোথাও না হয়, আর যদি কেউ অশান্তি করে তার বিরুদ্ধে কড়া পদক্ষেপ নিতে আমি কিন্তু পেছপা হব না।
Poulomi live with us from Kolkata. Poulomi, the temperatures have been rising steadily over the last few days. Today there was a dharna by the BJP which continues. We understand that JP Nadda is about to address a press conference as well.
That's right. The BJP has been, of course, upping the ante against the state government of West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee was, of course, sworn in today at 10:45 a.m. at the Raj Bhavan, and simultaneously BJP MLAs who have been elected into the state legislative assembly swore over the constitution and said that they would do everything in order to ensure that hate-filled violence or political violence comes to an end in the state of West Bengal. There was a dharna as well, which the BJP led here in the city of Kolkata, and in a short while from now, after having met with more families of victims of political violence who belong to the Bharatiya Janata Party, the party president will be addressing a press conference in a short while from now. So even before the MLAs are sworn in the Legislative Assembly, you can see that the political temperatures, like you said, are quite high over here in West Bengal, and it's likely that the 5-year tenure of the West Bengal Chief Minister is expected to be quite acrimonious.
Very, very acrimonious. Poulomi, thank you very much for that ground report. That press conference starts shortly after that rampant post-poll violence in Bengal. The BJP is holding a nationwide dharna. MLAs from the party took oath in a parallel oath-taking ceremony without going to the Raj Bhavan today. BJP chief JP Nadda was present for the ceremony and said that they've taken an oath to stop politics of violence in Bengal and they will protect democracy. Nadda also met the families of BJP workers killed in the violence over the last few days. Meanwhile, the Saffron Party is holding a nationwide protest claiming that 6 of their workers were killed in Bengal, while several others, including Shuvendu Adhikari, were attacked by Trinamool Congress workers. BJP has also alleged that Trinamool men burnt down their office in Arambagh just hours after results were announced on the 2nd of May.
तानाशाही, तुष्टीकरण, तोलाबाजी, और यही आज जैसे ही उनको सत्ता मिलने की नौबत आई, उससे पहले शाम ढलते ढलते ये घटना घट गई है। ये बताता है ममता जी के पार्टी का चरित्र और प्रजातांत्रिक तरीके से इस राजनीतिक हिंसा को नस्तो नाबूद करने के लिए हम कृत संकल्प।
हालत बहुत गंभीर है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए। बीजेपी पार्टी की ओर से जो कार्रवाई करना चाहिए, नड्डा जी का गाइडेंस में चल रहा है काम।
क्या आप अमित शाह जी के साथ बात कर रहे हो इस
बात हुआ।
ये धरना कह रहे हैं कि भाजपा को हार हजम नहीं हो रही है, इसलिए शपथ ग्रहण में शामिल ना होके इस तरह का धरना दे रहे हैं।
हम खुद भी यहाँ पर शपथ लेंगे, हमारे विधायकगण सारे, और जिस प्रकार हिंसा की राजनीति चल रही है और गणतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है, हम गणतंत्र की स्थापना के लिए हमारे सारे भाजपा विधायक भी शपथ लेंगे।
And now, as we've always promised you, we take you to the front lines